What is up, everybody? Casual Tech is back. Sam here with Manny.
What up?
Today we have the S20 Ultra 5G. Let's check out this box real quick. It's a standard Samsung premium box. This is the new premium line from Samsung. There will not be an S11, so this is the next one after the S10. Let's see what's inside. This should have, well, this does have all of the bells and whistles. It's a $1,400 phone, so expect wireless charging, fast charging, IP68 water resistance, power sharing. All right, well. Oh, I love this gray. That is a nice gray. Damn, look at that camera bump. That is quite the camera bump right there. Let's check the box out first.
That's a nice looking phone too.
It is a nice looking phone. I like that gray. It's like a milky gray.
Yeah.
So in here,
Does it bring a case?
We'll see. There's a SIM injector. No case. It has a screen. It has a screen protector. What else do we have in here? Papers. All right, that's that. Over here, let's see if it brings Here we go. USB-C wire. Black. I always want these premium lines to bring braided cables. Like, you're paying $1,400. Give me some braided cables, please. AKG headphones. See? Braided cable. This is what I'm talking about right here. I don't know if you guys can see that texture, but it's so durable.
You got ear tips right there too.
Yeah. It brings ear tips here. But yeah, braided cables, man. If you're gonna maybe spend $1,000 plus for a phone, every one of these wires should be braided. This is nice. These should sound good too. And then we have a super fast charging brick here. And then I think this is empty. That's empty, that's nothing. Okay, and then that's it. All right, so let's put this aside and check this phone out. All right, so let's check out this camera here. Damn, that's big. That is huge. All right, so first of all, this feels pretty hefty. It feels premium, as it should. It feels dense, and I like that. And it's thick. Wow, this is thicker than a lot of current phones. Where's my Pixel? Let me see how thick this is compared to mine. Yeah, this is significantly thicker than my Pixel phone. I don't know if you guys can see it through there, but it's pretty thick, and it's also it's a little bit taller.
Yeah, but that's all display.
Yeah, that's that much more display. But damn, it's thick. It's fat. Let me take this off. Yeah, this feels hefty. I like that. I like the density of it. But let's take a look at this camera, because this is the main attraction here. This top one here is a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Then down here you have the 108 megapixel wide angle camera. Then you have here you have a 48 megapixel telephoto, And these here is a depth vision camera. So 4 cameras back here, and then in the front let's see if you can see it right there, a 40 megapixel selfie camera. This version is a 128 gigabyte, 12 gigs of RAM phone. Damn, that way is so nice though, man. It is kind of boring though, but it's still nice.
Nah, I like it. Looks nice.
Yeah, this phone has all the bells and whistles though. It has everything except a headphone jack. So, like I said earlier, water resistance, wireless charging, fast charging, power sharing. What else what do premium phones have? No headphone jack.
Snapdragon 865.
Snapdragon 865. This is a 6.9 inch display, 1440p, 120 hertz.
That's a huge display.
Comes in 2 colors, this cosmic gray and then a cosmic black. Yeah, it's huge. It has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. That's why it's so fat, and I like that. I like that. It should be lasting me. This should be a 2-day phone. Another thing, at 120 hertz, it goes down to 1080p. If you want 1440p, if you want high resolution, it's gonna go down to 60 hertz. Let me see these buttons real quick. Yeah, this is clicky buttons. This is good. Here's a SIM tray up here. It has. I'm pretty sure it has the Dolby Atmos feature. There's a speaker here. Over here, right there. But yeah, that camera bump it's really like look at this camera bump right here. Okay, look at the camera bump. All right, and then look at this camera bump. It's like this one is like 3 times thicker than this camera bump. That's crazy. But we're gonna have fun with this camera though, cause I wanna stand on Jersey, and then have you go on to Manhattan and see if I can find you somewhere where's Waldo and with the 100 times zoom. I want to do that, or have you like go on the Statue of Liberty and I'll try to find you from Manhattan. But I'm gonna turn this on real quick, and I'm gonna check out the screen and let you guys know what it looks like.
We could definitely try that out.
So far, this is my favorite screen, but let's see what this looks like. All right, we'll be back. All right, we're back. All right, so been messing around with this for about an hour for first impressions. First things first, I like how fat this phone is. It feels really good in the hand. It feels premium, really premium. It feels really sturdy. Second, this bump is so big. So let's do a quick wobble test. All right, just bring out the wobble tester.
Got it.
All right, because we can't really test it on the chinchilla. So here's the pixel bump, so you can have a comparison, and here is the S20 Ultra bump. Look at this. All right, so it's not much give there. And then when you put the Ultra, that's crazy. That is a lot of bump. Yeah, you can see it raising. I can't really show you guys, but it raises up from the table quite a bit. That's crazy. But enough of that. That's petty. Second thing I noticed about this phone. Well, before I get into that, fingerprints. It has an in-display fingerprint sensor. Never been a fan of that. This one works. This one seems to work fine. Not as fast as, let's say, a face unlock or a fingerprint in the back. It's working fine, especially if this one has the screen protector and it's working okay. So no complaints so far there. Let's see how it holds up in the next couple days. The screen. Out the box, it's 1440p, 60 hertz. I switched it to 1080p, 120 hertz, and there is no going back.
I wonder why it's not a default though.
Yeah, once you go, well, I don't know that, but once you go to 120 hertz, I'm telling you now, don't do it to yourself if you like high resolution, because once you see 120 hertz, there is no going back. You can't see it on camera because we shoot in 24p, but this thing is so smooth, it looks so good. This phone only gives you 60 hertz and 120 hertz. There's no middle ground at 90. My Pixel does 90, and I thought I wasn't gonna see a difference, but you will see a difference with the 120 hertz. Another thing that we like, man, anybody likes this phone, by the way. Another thing that I really love about this phone so far is that it's basically a flat screen. Samsung phones usually have that over-the-edge waterfall display. I never liked that. This is a flat screen. It's a beautiful screen. It's vibrant. It's bright. Damn, that 120 is so you can't see it, guys. I swear to God. Go to a Best Buy and look at it. This thing's so smooth. It looks so good. You get used to the 1080p. It looks fine to me. I wouldn't do 1440 60. Do 1080 120. But enough of that. What else? The speakers are pretty loud. I'm telling you, this is a premium phone, so you're gonna get all the bells and whistles. The cameras, I tested out the cameras. Let's take a look at some of the pictures. Here's one. It looks good. I've noticed that it has a beauty mode, a natural beauty mode. I don't like the way here's a freaking one. Look, see, this is only 33 times zoom. This is Manny's eye, and it looks pretty clear. I was pretty close to him, but still, like, you can see pores and parasites all over.
I'm pretty tired.
All over his eye. It also has a natural bokeh effect on pictures. Yeah, I think this is like this isn't a live focus shot. This is a regular picture, and it has like natural blurring of the background. That's nice. We have to test it out more. This is a selfie camera. I'm really tired. We have to test it out more, but so far it's okay. Anything else you want to add?
Just wait for that review.
Yeah, the review's coming in next week. 100 times zoom. I wish every phone.
I wish that back was frosted, but it's so beautiful still, regardless.
Yeah, it is.
They did a good job.
It's a nice gray. It's also, you know, you get a good grip on this. I wish every phone prioritized battery. Like, if they were this thick, I wouldn't mind at all. Like, I think this one is still good, but this right here, man, this feels nice in the hand, very premium. But we'll see. We'll be back with the review next week. I really like the flat screen. Also has a minor chin. I don't care about that. It looks nice anyway. But yeah. Okay, so that's our unboxing and first impressions of the S20 Ultra, and we'll be back with a review next week. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.